So today I'm about to show you how to automate stock alerts in N8N. First, open your N8N canvas and drag in a schedule trigger node. Set the execution timer parameter to run at regular intervals, like every 15 minutes, specifically during market hours. Next, link the trigger to an HTTP request node to fetch live market values. Set the method to get and input a free finance API endpoint, like Yahoo Finance, mapping your target stock symbol such as NVDA directly into the query URL. Finally, drop an if node right after your API block. Configure the condition parameter to check if the incoming stock price is greater or less than your target price threshold. Connect the true branch of your if node straight to a Telegram or Slack node to instantly send a custom alert message to your phone the second your stock hits the price. And that's it. That's how to automate stock alerts in N8N. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.